Introducing the stunning 2025 CUPRA Terramar EHYBRID with 204 horsepower and automatic transmission. This sleek grey beauty has only 3960 kilometres on the clock and is packed with amazing features for your comfort and safety. From ambient lighting to satellite navigation, this car has it all. But that's not all. The CUPRA Terramar also comes with advanced security features like collision avoidance braking and traffic sign recognition. Plus, with luxury trim and privacy glass, you'll be turning heads everywhere you go. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today for more information.